A Cash Giraffe timer that stops counting down is usually a tracking problem, so reinstalling the app immediately is not the first thing you should do. The timer depends on Cash Giraffe being able to track your activity correctly, and settings on your phone can interfere with that process. By the end, you'll know which phone settings to check first, how to refresh Cash Giraffe without losing your account, and what to do if the timer still stays frozen. First, check whether Cash Giraffe is actually detecting the app you're using. Open Cash Giraffe and look at the game or app connected to the timer. If the activity is not being recorded, the countdown may have nothing to update. Next, check your phone's permissions for Cash Giraffe. On Android, open Settings, go to Apps, select Cash Giraffe, and review its permissions. The exact menu names can vary by Android version, so look for Permissions and App Access settings. Then check battery restrictions. Android can limit background activity when an app is placed under restricted battery usage. Open Cash Giraffe's battery settings and make sure the app is allowed to operate normally in the background. If your phone has an additional battery saver feature, temporarily disable it and test the timer again. The next step is to refresh the app. Completely close Cash Giraffe, wait a moment, and open it again. Then check whether the timer starts moving when you launch the tracked game or app. If the timer is still frozen, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and reopen Cash Giraffe. Wait. A connection problem can prevent activity information from updating correctly. Also make sure you are using the current version of Cash Giraffe available for your device. If an update is waiting in the Google Play Store, install it and restart the app afterward. Avoid clearing app data or uninstalling Cash Giraffe before confirming that your account information is safely connected. Clearing data can remove locally stored information and force you to sign in again. If none of these steps fixes the timer, contact Cash Giraffe support and include the name of the affected game, your phone model, your Android version, and a screenshot showing the frozen timer. That gives support specific information to investigate instead of just saying the timer does not work. So the main fixes are simple. Check tracking permissions, remove battery restrictions, refresh Cash Giraffe, verify your connection, and update the app. Start with those steps before reinstalling anything. Try the permission and battery settings first, then test the timer again. If this fixed the problem, like the video and subscribe for more Cash Giraffe troubleshooting guides.